Lovely. So you got ripe banana, blueberry, and pineapple. Also, what we're gonna do, I'm going to put some nuts inside of it. I'm just gonna just simply pour it out from the bag. All right, this is some walnuts and almond and cashew nuts inside of it. So you can use whatever kind of nuts you like to use, but it is a beautiful recipe. All right. And also, I'm going to use 2 dates in it. If you don't got all of these ingredients, use what you have at home. All right? Simple. Use what you have at home and be happy. Okay? So as you can see it for yourself, what I just use. If you want me to name back the ingredients, it is simple. And I will name them back for you. Blueberry. Very good, rich and good for your gut. Pineapple, also very good for your gut. Ripe banana, very good. We got some nuts, mixed nuts. We got some dates also inside of it. Now, you can put ginger or a little piece of ginger, but we're not going to do that today. We're just going to make a simple little smoothie, and we're not going to make anyone confusing. We're going to use some oat, no sugar, milk inside of it. All right, roughly about 1 cup inside of it. Very healthy recipe for breakfast in the morning. And this is what I want to do also. I want to put this inside of it. It is a fresh coconut inside of it. All right. You don't have to, it's option, but it is beautiful to use something like that sometime in your ingredients. Even pumpkin seed is also good to use. Let's cover it up and we're gonna make some noise. All right. In the meantime, you can order your copy of the books. In the meantime, I'm blending this up. Wow. Now, let's put this one side. Let's get that. You guys want to see what's going on? All right. How to order your book? Just go to Amazon and order yourself a copy of the book. Read the story of Chef Ricardo. Wow. Look at that. Excellent. That is amazing. Wow. Now, pour it out. And then you want to drink that. Don't be shy, guys. Okay? Just don't be shy. All right? As you can see it for yourself, that is amazing. The flavor, the texture, and not only that, you can have this in the morning for breakfast. The most important time in your life is in the morning when you wake up. All right? So, as I say, you don't have to use all of the ingredients. Ripe banana, blueberry, pineapple, the milk. You can use your favorite milk, the nuts, and some dates inside of it. Beautiful recipe for you to try in the morning. Guys, if you like the recipe, please leave your comments. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chef Ricardo Cooking. We got all of your recipes over there, from weight loss to detoxing, from detoxing to cleansing the body, for eating healthy to put on weight, from put on weight to losing weight, from looking healthy to looking healthier. And also, if you want to look cute, you can look cute. If you want to look pretty, you can pretty because we got the recipes them over there for you. All right? Go over to the YouTube channel, Chef Ricardo Cooking, join the membership and support the channel. And you can see recipes over there can change your life from where you are to better, and for you to live at least 150 years upon the planet. All right? Because nobody don't live 150 years yet. You know, this is a new generation. So we want to prove it that you can live 150 years. So join the membership over there and support Chef Ricardo YouTube channel. And, you know what I mean, support the channel. And tell a friend. And a friend tell a friend. So we got a lot of recipes over there for you guys. Recipes, we're going to make you look beautiful for the summer. If you want to put on weight, we got recipes over there for you to put on weight. If you want to lose weight, we got recipes over there for you to lose weight. If you want to eat healthy, we got recipes for you to make you eat healthy. We're not promoting unhealthy eating. We are promote healthy eating. All right? So, a good vibes. So go over there